Updating your payment information on Bank of America is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, locate the Account Services for Profile section. Look for an option labeled Payment Information or Manage Payment Methods. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. In the Payment Information section, find the option to update or add a new payment method. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Input your new payment information such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, review it for accuracy. Click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information with Bank of America. Make sure to check your account periodically to keep your information up to date.